Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got VW Golf. Basically, customer staying, reverse light not working. While they enter to reverse gear, need to indicate in the behind like a light because this is BMW, but however this is VW. Basically, reverse light not indicating while they enter to reverse. It's simple. You can do DIY job in your home, but make sure jack up the car, leave a axle stand underneath for the safety. I'll give you a rough idea how is the reverse switch will work. Basically it's sit on somewhere on the gearbox, but this car reverse switch sit underneath here. It's very easy to reach from underneath. Once I go underneath, I'll show you what's going on here. Basically it's like a two wire connector like this. This is not exactly the one, this is the similar one. It's come with the two wire. Basically if your reverse light not working, first check your bulb okay. If it your bulb okay, next step you need to come to the gearbox, remove this connector. After that you can use this wire, like this wire, clean it like that. You can put one side here and the other side to the other connector like this, right? Make it continuity. Basically you have to make this two wire continuity, right? Once you connect here and there, and go and have a look, your reverse light work. If it work, definitely you need to change the this switch. If you do this way, your reverse light not work, it's somewhere wrong with the wiring, little bit complicate the problem. However, I'm going underneath and have a look, remove the connector from the switch and have a look what's going on. Then after that I'll come back to you. This is the reverse switch. I already removed the connector here because I'm not bypass the thingy and check how is the working, but I can see in the back there is a one wire and the other wire here you can see it's broken. Basically I need to install new connector and have a look what's going on, because at the moment I feeling the wiring not right. See, only the blue color wire give the connection and the red color wire or other color I can't see the which exactly the color, but however it's broken from here. Once I replace the wires, I'll come back to you. Now we know the problem. Now you all are saw one wire there and the one wire broken some here, but however the VWs in UK you can ask the connector and the wiring. Then I'm going to order the new wiring, connector and the wires, and I going to do DIY job, cut here and give the connection here. Once I get the part, I'll come back to you. Now if your reverse light not work, you know what to do, you know how to check. Yeah, see you soon. Right, we got the part from the main dealer. This is the wire connector and the two wires. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the connector. See, they are very naughty because normally the edge of the wires need a rubber thingy there, but it's not there. Anyway, nothing to do. That's the main dealer charging fortunes and send little bit uncomplicated parts, right? Anyway, right, first this is the new switch. I'm going to check is the correct connector. Yeah, it's correct connector. Yep, it's correct connector because I can't press too much because you can see this thing sticking out. Yeah, right, definitely it's correct one. What I'm going to do, take a, because they send the two wires, basically one wire, we have a two connectors, see. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut here and do the connection here. Right, now I'm going to install this wire here. Yeah, normally it's going one way, no need to worry. Right, both in, it won't come out. Then after that you can see this thing, press in. Right, yeah, once you press in, it will lock, the wires won't come out. Then after that, what I'm going to do, cut the wire here and there. After that, I'm going to join with all wires. I think I don't want to filming you that one. Hopefully you can do that job. Then once I finish that job, I'll come back to you. If you want, you can connect this way. If you want, you can connect either way. It doesn't matter. Basically, we need to make a this, once we press this switch, we need to make a continuity for this line, because if you get three wires or more, it's slightly complicated. But this one, basic one, doesn't matter. When you twist this side or that side, doesn't matter. However, need to make a continuity. But I'm happy to go with the old wiring way. But if you mix up the this wire and that wire, it doesn't matter. It's not make any difference. Yeah, once I fix this one, I'll come back to you. You can see we done the amendment one. Just plug in here. Right, already plug in. Right, we'll see what happened to the reverse light now. I'm going to enter to reverse gear. Yeah, it's in the reverse gear. Just ignition on. Yeah, we'll have a look. No. Yeah, basically what happened, customer confirmed me they changed the bulb previous garage, but however that bulb blown. Then I got the new bulb and install and connect here. Right, I'm going to do the same thing. Yeah, you can see now it's work, aren't you? Yeah, now you can see. That's why sometimes the problem there in the front, you saw the old wirings broken. But however, we done that one, we amend that one. Then after that, customer confirming previous garage done the bulb, even they not touch the bulb, it's blown. Basically after that we had to replace the bulb. Yeah, but if you follow the step by step process, then you will be ending with up like this working reverse bulb. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.